Three, two. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome once again to the 30 Days AI Challenge with Hills and Tech. And we are on day 11 today. Congratulations, everybody. Thank you all for joining us and staying from day one up until today. How has the challenge been for all of you? How are you doing? Good evening, Sandra. Hello, you're welcome. Good evening, Cynthia. I see some very familiar names. How has the challenge been and how has today been for you? Please keep your comments coming in. Keep going. And for those of you who are just joining us, this is the 30 Days AI Challenge in celebration of International Women's Day, where in 30 minutes per day, you join us to learn an AI tool. We have gone through so many tools. This is day 11. So we've gone through Loom, we've gone through Google Workspace, Canva, vibe coding, and there's so much more to come in the coming days and weeks. I hope you all will be with us up until day 30. And today we are here with Confluence. That is today's tool. How many of you have heard about Confluence before today? If you have, let me see your comments in the comment section. I will be checking. Oh, good to hear, Rebecca. Very well, Cynthia. Thank you. So if you've heard about Confluence today, let me see your comments in the comment section. And if you haven't, that's okay. We're all here to learn. And today's facilitator is a very special one. She is an alumni of Hills and Tech, meaning she has taken a course or several courses with Hills and Tech, and she is here today to teach us about Confluence. So join me, everybody, while we get into it. Join me to welcome our facilitator for today, Sarah Elechi. Can I see your reactions in the comment section? Let's go. Hi. Welcome,
Hi,
welcome, welcome. Thank you for
thank
joining
you.
us today. And I'll be handing over to you now.
Okay. Okay, good evening, everyone. My name is Sarah. Welcome to the AI Challenge, 30 Days AI Challenge that's currently been going on for a while now. And this is the 11th day. I'm glad to have you here. Thank you so much. So I will be sharing my screen because this is going to be a hands-on um, presentation. Just a moment. Okay, so please confirm you can see my screen.
Um, okay, it's loading.
Beatrice, can you see my screen? Please confirm you can see my screen.
Okay, now I can see the browser.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so for everyone, Confluence is a software tool for Okay, all right, thank you. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, for everyone, Confluence is a software tool used for collaboration. In case you're just getting to know about Confluence today and you've never heard about it, just giving you a background um, why we actually use Confluence. So it's a collaboration and knowledge management tool developed by Atlassian. It is designed to help teams create, organize, and share information. And for me, this is not my first time of using Confluence, but I became aware of Confluence in 2024, and it has been so awesome with the integration of AI. So it has been efficient in making central hub for documentation, project management, and team collaboration. So Confluence is widely used for knowledge management, allowing teams to store and retrieve information quickly. So we are going to dive right in into the practical section where I'm going to be showing you how to navigate through the software tool Confluence. And if time permits me, I can also show you how we navigate Confluence to um, Jira, how we bypass and merge the two of them. So I would like everybody to be hands-on. Since it's going to be a practical section, I want you to open your in browser, your in private, your Cognito browser, or your in private tab. Use that for this section. If you have, that is if you already have, but if you don't have, I'll be walking you through the process on how to um, sign in on Confluence. Thank you very much. So this is it. So Beatrice, please, can you see my screen?
Yes, I have. Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Can you see my screen, please?
Yes, yes, I can.
Okay. 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 So for the first time viewers, um, this is Confluence, and we'll be navigating through this. So you can actually just do it from your own browser. If you're in your browser or using any of your devices, please show in the comment section that you are actually in so that we can start.
Hi, Sarah. Could you zoom in a little bit?
Okay, because I'm doing it directly, so it's
Okay.
not going to be
Yeah.
able to zoom in. So this is the much I can't go.
Okay.
So that's why I said for everyone, just on your browser type in Confluence and we can go from there. So why do we use Confluence? Actually, there are many reasons why we use Confluence. Like I previously mentioned, I said for documentation, collaboration, because most people don't know that draw.io is actually in Confluence. So most people don't have an idea that you can actually do a flowchart on Confluence. In fact, Atlassian has made it easy pretty much for everyone through their various apps.
Okay. We are with you. Are we clicking? log in to continue, or Confluence AI workspace? That's a question from the comment section.
Okay, so once you click on Confluence, it will take you directly to this page where I'm currently at. So I want to be sure that you can see this page.
Okay. Yes, I can see the Confluence landing page.
Or where you're going to be logging in, where I'm currently. Can you see? So just to be sure that everybody is on the same page, just give a reaction on the comment section and we can go on. Just to be sure that everybody is on the same page, just give a reaction on the comment section and we can go on. Just be sure that everybody is on the same page, give a reaction on the comment
Okay. Okay, yes, I can see reaction from Michael, Emmanuel. I can see reactions. So I guess we're on the same page. I am also on the same page with you.
section. Okay. So, all right, thank you. So, okay, so you can use either any of your work mail to enter into Confluence. It can be Gmail, it can be Outlook, it can be Yahoo. So just any of them that fits you for this practical section, you can use it for the email address.
Okay. Hi, Sarah.
Into browser.
Yes. Yes. I think we can proceed. We're on the same page.
Okay. Okay, can you hear me now? I think it's glitching.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I am trying to get this. Okay, can you hear me now? It's
Yes, I can hear you.
just a moment, please, while it loads.
Okay. Okay, I can see a question. Can you also use your phone number? I'm guessing that's to sign up. Okay, I can see a question.
Okay.
Can you also use your phone number?
Okay,
I'm guessing
no,
that's to sign up.
no. You can't use your phone number to sign in. It has to be a work address. Okay,
Ah,
no. You can't use your phone number to sign in. It has to be a work address. Hmm. So I don't know what's wrong with the network. It's taking a while to load.
yes, the network has been quite terrible this week.
It's taking a while. The network has been quite terrible. Okay, so for those on their browser, because offhand I can actually just tell you what is going to show you. It's going to bring you to a screen where
Okay.
so for those on their browser, because offhand I can actually just tell you what is going to show you. It's going to bring you to a screen where for those on their browser, because offhand okay, okay, so it's going to bring you to a screen where you'll be selecting a few things, just four slides, I think so, since it's the first time. So it's going to bring you to a screen where you'll be selecting a few things, just four slides, I think so, since it's the first time. So it's going to bring you to a screen. So you're going to select what kind of projects you're working on. If it's a sprint meeting, if you're doing a project management, whatever um, whatever thing you want to address or whatever thing you want to document through the Confluence, this is what is going to be showing on your screen. Because I don't know why it's not showing. Just a moment, let me fix this bug.
Okay. Mm, I'm also trying it on my end. For those of us who have been able to
I've not experienced a
sign up,
problem like
can
this.
you give
Just a
us
moment.
a reaction or
Don't
comments?
know
Drop your
what's
comments in the comment section. Okay, Annie Chisholm just said she just did hers. Okay, well done. Who else is with us? Okay, Rebecca is on the landing page. Okay, okay. Rebecca, you
okay.
can go ahead.
You, Rebecca.
Um, this Sumwa Esther says it says pages, live docs, whiteboards, database. So which should we pick?
Mm, that is after the first slides has been shown. So you're already in the main page.
Okay, okay. Okay. Festus is already on the main page. Okay, I myself am also on the main page. I can see pages, live docs, whiteboards, database.
Okay, so since we're having problem with the incognito, I may just simply use my normal browser, the one has I've been using for a while now. So it will take you to the home page where I'm currently at.
Okay.
Just a moment for it to load up. I don't understand what's wrong with the network. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. We are in. Okay, so
Okay,
with
we're in.
Confluence, you can document with different teams.
Okay. Are you sharing your screen again? Because I can't see it.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I wonder why it's
Okay.
not
Would you mind
showing.
be sharing?
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Let me present again. Okay, okay,
Oh.
thank you. Okay, so this is Confluence, and this is just my just round the clock. Please confirm you can see my screen because I'm not seeing my screen.
Okay. It's loading, and okay, now I can see your screen. I can see welcome to your premium trial.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the patience everyone. Okay, so on the fourth dot upward we have the home, we have Jira, we have Confluence, but we are going to be working strictly today on Confluence and navigating it through AI.
Hi Sarah. Some of us
So for
are
those people
stuck on
asking,
the what do you
um,
want to try first? Yeah.
which one to use, for now you just have to hold on.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Betty, you were saying something.
Yes. Some of us are stuck on the what do you want to try first? Pages, live
Hello.
docs, whiteboards, databases. Can you hear me?
Okay, so you want to try. Okay, so you want to try pages first.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Beatrice, what's gonna happen is if you're on the screen of the page, if you're in already, just tell me what is showing on your screen so I can bring you guys to my own screen.
Okay. Okay, one moment, please. Um, Mine is still loading.
Sorry, just a moment. Okay.
Okay, hi Sarah. I have a question from Festus. Do we invite anyone via email? Do we click finish? Okay. On my end, I clicked finish, and now I have
Is
um.
if okay, that is if you have a team. If you have a team that you're working with, you're collaborating with on them in. But for now, since you don't have anyone you're currently working with, you can just go ahead and click skip or next.
Okay.
So Beatrice, please, where are you on your screen so that I can.
Okay, on my screen, I have I'm on the Confluence page. I can see meeting notes, 2026 meeting notes, and on the sidebar, I can see for you templates, spaces, apps, and then my name, and then content. Yes, that's what I can see. Oh, would you like me to share my screen?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm, okay, let's just work with mine instead. I prefer work with mine instead so I can
All
just
right.
go with the flow. Okay,
Okay.
so for you shows where you yep, thank you. Yep. So for you shows where you currently have all your projects, team sprint review, which was edited 1 hour ago. There's a team Marvel progress, which was edited 2 hours ago. So for you, it's just a summary of what you've been doing via the spaces on Confluence. So for us, we're going to be creating a new space. We're going to be creating a new space, and we are going to be titling our space Jamboree, or whatever name you want to give. And they're going to ask you why are you creating this space. And there are different icons to use. You can use the first icon, you can use the second one, you can use the um, aeronaut icon, you can use the car, you can use the documentation icon, whatever icon fits your needs. You can use any of them. And also the purpose for the space. The, the purpose for the space, you can say collaboration, which is explore and iterate on work with your team in real time. Then knowledge base, create and publish and share important documentation, or custom, or we can just configure our space. But for today, we're going to be doing collaboration because while on the live section, I'm going to be inviting some people in to collaborate with me. The space, I'll be inviting some people via the YouTube to come in and do some brainstorming with me. And then there's going to be automated busy work, automated with reminders to keep our team on track. And then we can now create our space. Please don't touch any icon on the futures. Don't touch any icons on the futures. Just go ahead to create a space. And we are going to be working hands on right now. So why here? Um, from the comment section, any project manager in the house, any business analyst, any JRC professional, just say your profession, and so that we can actually use your skill while we are doing the live section. So anyone in the house, the business analysts, the managers in the house, please just say you're here so that we can actually use your. So here it says in a sentence, here we're gonna be doing edit. We're gonna be editing this down team. So for collaboration to go easy, you have to edit and here. So this is Rovo AI. Rovo help you summarize. This is text style. There are different text style. You can select the one you want to use on the heading. Then this is for bold, for making any of your text bold. Then we have the bullet list. You can change to a number list, or you can simply just use a checkbox or a checklist. Then we have the highlights and color, where you can highlight any text and color it. So we also have the action item. We have the add image, video, and file. You can just screenshot and just simply do on your PC Control V, and it will simply just add that to the page. Or you go through your file explorer and add from there. Then you can mention someone from your team who you want to collaborate with. This is the sign, collaboration at sign. You can mention someone from your team who you want to invite and collaborate with. You can add emoji on your collaboration page, a smiling emoji, a sad grinning, whatever emoji you want to add, you can just add it here at the top here. Then we have layout, how you want it to be. What form do you want it to be in? How you want it to be. So you have layout here. Then we have table. There are two ways of inserting table. So the first one is on the top here, or you simply just come to the page, go to this plus sign here and click on it. This plus sign here, click on it, and it will show you this. So you can just simply add a table from that plus sign. This is it. This is it. So you click on the plus sign, you can add the table, or you come here and add the table. So there are actually different ways of doing so many collaboration on Confluence. We also have the sizes you want to use. Then we have also to implement or to insert an element on the Confluence. Probably you're not satisfied with this table for a start. You can come here, click on this, and want to do a database. If you want to draw a diagram, going to flowcharts, which is for most people, we know draw.io. You can actually just go through the white. So we have data parameters, and you can also mention someone, like I said. You can mention someone. There are two ways of mentioning. You can either use the plus sign here, or you use this one up here. So we go on. You can code snippets, high text highlighting, status, info panel, date, whatsoever elements you want to implement or add up to your page. You can do that via this plus sign here. So today's good description. The purpose for this space is practical. This is practical, sorry, control. Yep. Okay. Okay, it's practical. So okay. Practical. Practical. And we'll just say team sprint notes. practical on team sprint notes. Okay, so instead of doing double, we just go with one. Just a moment, please. So it's actually just easy, but the network is okay. Sprints. Thank you. Practical on team sprint notes, and you can actually go from your Confluence to your Jira, but we are not going to be touching that. We're just focusing mainly on the Confluence. So that done, we are going to click on updates. We're going to click on updates. So this automatically saves what you've done so far and give you room for more. We've created a space. We've created a space. Okay, this is on. So we're going to use a 101. We're going to use some presentation. Please just stop so that I can let me know you're following to show you, because we are going to be using the 101 meeting for our practical. I'll click on this and I'll wait for everyone to wait. And I'll wait for everyone to wait.
Any plus on my table. If you're going, lock up and get back in the house. Not push.
All right. Sorry for that brief interruption. Okay, so Beatrice, is there any question so that I can answer before we start?
Okay,
Okay, so Beatrice, is there
I
any
can
question
see
so
a
that
question
I
by
can answer
Festus.
before we start?
Where is a password requested? On the right is content, team goal, idea, brainstorm, research.
I don't get the question. Come again.
Okay, the question goes, where is a password requested? On the right is content, team goal, idea, brainstorm, research. I think they're listing out what they could see on their screen.
So on your page, Festus, is there a password requested for you to? Is there a password request on your page?
Okay. Hello, Festus. Please give us the answer to
Is
that.
can I? Is there any other question so that we can just move on, please?
Yes. Another question says, "What is Confluence
Okay,
majorly used for?"
so
Okay. Okay. Festus has responded, "No, I have
okay,
passed
so
that."
Confluence is mainly used for documentation. Okay, thank you, Festus. Okay, so Confluence is majorly used for documentation, collaboration, and team sprint meeting. Whatever you want to document, if you're working on a project, whatever thing you want to collaborate with your team members on, you can actually use Confluence to do that documentation. So Confluence is majorly for documentation, and collaboration. So I don't know if that answers the question or you want more. If there is no other question, so I can move on. We are
Yes, you
limited
can
on
move on
time.
for now. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna give this page team progress, team progress, team progress dashboard. Okay, so we're gonna go with today's dates. Is 19th. Okay, today's date is 26 because it actually goes by the year first, and then the month 03, and then 19. So it's going to show a correct formula. You just click on it. So the time for this is 17 1750 Okay, so this is where I'm going to bring in um two persons from the comment sections who are actively on their Confluence page. Please, if you're not on your Confluence page, don't drop your address. So if you're on the Confluence page, I would like you to drop your email address so I can add you here and we can actually see how this is being done.
Hello, everyone. Please drop your email address if you're on the conference page. For those of us who have been following, oh, I can see a comment by Benson, which says, please, can we go back after creating the space? I lost you there. Do we have time
Oh,
for a quick,
mm,
if possible?
okay, so let me just publish this. Just a moment, we can come back to this. Let me just
Okay.
publish this and then. Okay, that's done. So for um okay, so you're going to click on your template now. This is it. For the person asking, you're going to click on your template, and this is what's going to come up because there are different templates on Confluence. There's a sprint planning meeting template. This automatically leads you to Jira. Then there's a software architecture review. This is for the architectural people we have in the building. This for retrospective sprint meeting 101. So I said because we're doing practical and we are trying to collaborate and document also, I will be going with the 101 meeting templates. So I hope you get that.
Okay,
If you
thank you
get
for
that,
that.
please just say yes on the live section.
Okay. I think for now we can move on. Okay.
Okay. So I recently
Okay.
just published, go back tonight. This is a software development page. This is what we're working on, team progress dashboard. Okay.
Okay. I can also
Okay.
share mine.
So this is, can you see mine?
Yes, I can see. Team I can see team progress dashboard.
Okay. 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 So team progress dashboard. We're gonna be editing it because we published it 2 minutes ago because we just wanted to bring a fellow down to this page. So has anyone dropped their email on the YouTube live so that we can use theirs to.
Okay. Um, please, if you're with us, please drop your email address so
So
you
I
can
can
collaborate with the
invite you to
facilitator.
collaborate.
Yeah. I can
Okay,
also share mine
just
with
so
you.
if, okay, that would be nice, please. If you can just do that. Here you click on add, and then so we have me. So because I have been working on Confluence, it's gonna show my name. It's gonna show my team that I created, Bridge Team Base. So I can just click on my name. So this will show that I am participating here.
Okay.
So also you can type a link. Probably you want to add a Google meeting, a Zoom meeting, or whatever link you want to do, a Bitly link. You can add the link here, which is location. You can just add the link here. But since we don't have the time to go back to create, sorry for that. Since we don't have the time to go back to create a Google link, I could simply just create anyone now, or I can add. I'm going to be adding a color to this page, to this location. I'm going to be changing it to these. So let me see if I can get a link where we can. Sorry, just a moment. Hmm. Previously had one link. Let me see. Okay, yes. This is a link. to Team Marvel Progress. Then the meeting type would be a daily meeting. Either call it sprint, or whatever name you want to give. So for materials, if there's any other material you want to add, like for instance, you want to add your Otter AI link, that's if you have a pre-recorded section of voice note, you can add the link here. So because that will be too rigorous, I will not want to start going to my other AI to bring the material down here. So I will just leave this table blank. But if there's anyone interested, you can just register with Hilda. They will put you through the Confluence via the business analysis class. So we're gonna start the phone. Yes. Did you say so? Just a moment. Let me add you up here. Uh, So when you type where you can actually add anyone you want to add to the page. Okay. Yes. So Beatrice, I sent an invite to you.
Okay, I'll check the mail.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, I think I just received it.
Can you still hear
Accept.
my device? 'Cause
No, I can't anymore. Thank you.
all right, thank you.
Right.
Oh wow.
Right?
I did not realize. Okay, so let me just run through. I didn't actually realize that we've passed the time frame. So you can invite someone through the participants, picking names. Oh, Priorities since we last met. What did you learn about the project since we last met? Okay, so what did we learn about the project? We learned that Figma have have bug issue. Okay, so you can actually delete this. Yep, this will answer the question. So how should we priorities to until we meet again? How should we prepare for next week's slide presentation? Um, va- va the sprint, va the sprint meeting, or to help you document whatsoever you whatsoever meeting you're having. If you're doing a project, if you are business analyst trying to document the deliverables for your team, conference is your go-to. And whatever you do on conference, just updates or you say publish, and you've actually created a page or a space where you can actually come back to for review if there's anything they missed out during the meeting. So conference just to tell you that I have a meeting, I want to document this, I'm documenting this. I hope everybody on the team is seeing it. And if there's anything, you can add correction by just adding comments on the four buttons down. You will see add comments. You can just add the comment saying, okay, nice work, team. Okay, team. And you add it. If there's any error, you say, okay, on so and so, I noticed there's an error on so page, on so document. I noticed or there's an error, and that's how it's being done. So we can't really go through all this, but if there's anything else, you can always ask Rovo to summarize for you. Most importantly, why AI is being integrated to Confluence is just to make the work easier. So you can ask Rovo to summarize page for you. And Rover will tell you what actually you miss. So he says that the meeting started with a relaxed conversation followed by open questions and progress discussion. Sarah is addressing a test bug issued in the Figma app as a priority. So basically, Confluence is for documentation, collaboration. Just bring your team in, do the goal review, do the sprint, whatever it is you want to work on. Confluence is here to serve you, and that would bring us to the end of. I think I've spent more time than I actually have. Thank you,
Okay.
Beatrice.
Okay. Thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you so much. So to round off, the AI integration with Confluence is Rovo. That's ROVO, right? Okay. Thank you so
Yes,
much
Rovo,
for that
yes.
mention. Okay. Thank you. So everyone, I know today's session was really engaging, and the network just decided to be so annoying today. So sorry about that. But please, you can, if
Mm-hmm.
you missed anything, you can go ahead and rewatch the session and practice. For those of you who practiced along, who were practicing alongside us today, well done. If you have any questions, if you keep exploring and you have any questions, please leave them in the general group on the WhatsApp channel, and any one of us are going to respond to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much,
Okay.
everybody, for joining us, and so sorry for staying past the time. Thank you so much,
Yes.
Sarah, for joining us today. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. We will enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. We have officially come to the end of day 11. I will see you all tomorrow for day 12. Please check the announcements channel for any updates, and we'll communicate that to you. So do enjoy the rest of your Thursday. Have a lovely evening, everyone. Goodbye.